1971 Plymouth Scamp here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood now 360 bored 40 over. That has been rebuilt, and that's paired up with a rebuilt 904 automatic transmission. 3000 stall with a shift kit. And we're going to take a peek underneath the hood in just a bit. It is equipped with power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome. Front bumper has been re-chromed, so that's in nice shape. Repaint the blue. Black vinyl interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Practically new Krager SS chrome wheels. Date code on the rubber, it was 2023, so fairly new tires on it also. Let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Nice car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Have a little fun with it. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior. Aftermarket stereo installed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, dual exhaust coming out the rear. It's actually 2.5 inch. Newer exhaust with Flowmasters on it. You can see that rear bumper's been re-chromed also, so chrome in very nice shape on this car. Some things that were recently serviced and or upgraded. Mentioned the newer Kragers. Rear end was rebuilt. It's an 8.25 inch rear end with 390 gears. Newer ball joints, tie rod ends, control arm bushings, newer steering gear box, power steering pump and hoses. And we'll get in underneath the hood, take a peek there at that engine bay, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. UniqueClassicCars.com is where they can all be seen. Take a look down this driver's side. If you like Mopars, early 70s, really any year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. In with the still pictures too, I did decode the fender tag, so you're going to be able to see a picture of the fender tag and also some decoding I did there also, so you can see the original color of the vehicle, how it was equipped and what have you. Alright, black vinyl interior. You can see seat belts intact. Tack mounted on the A-pillar here. Alpine stereo system. Alright, see fuel gauge coming up. Temperature, that was a cold start. Alternator. Close that door so we don't have to listen to the chime. An Alpine stereo system. Looks like it was a factory AC car. Top of the dash looks good. Either that or somebody changed the controls on it. Tack working. This one sounds healthy. Again, 360 bored 40 over. Those J heads. Sounds good. This one will turn some heads the way it sounds and the way it looks. Alright, let's take a peek underneath this hood. We'll finish up the walk around portion of this video. But if you stick around to the very end, Jason's going to take it down the road and show you how it dries out. Alright, so there's a peek at the underside of the hood. Alright, so it looks like we have a newer master cylinder here also. MSD ignition. See the headers. High performance 340. Edelbrock intake manifold, poly 4-barrel 670. Mentioned newer water pump, you can see that, alternator. Car's ready to go, turn the key, get in, go have some fun. Like I said earlier, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just take it out. Again, have some fun. 1971 Plymouth Scamp. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
This morning we have a 1971 Plymouth Scamp in a great blue color with those Mopar hood scoops. This is an automatic on the column. Our alternator shows charging right in the middle of the gauge. Very nice acceleration in this car. I can tell you though, the speedometer's a little off. It thinks I'm doing 70. I'm doing probably 45. Our fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. The temperature gauge is just coming off of 130. We have a Alpine stereo in the dash. Very clear sound coming from one speaker up front in the stock location, two in the door, each door, and rear speakers as well. Sounds very good. We have a Sport Comp tachometer mounted to the pillar just to the left of the dash. That's working as it should. Wipers work. Blower motor also works. Nice looking, mostly stock looking interior for the most part. Bench seat with a fold down armrest in the middle. And two what would look like bucket seat backs. Kind of a hybrid style. Corners about as you would expect for a 71 Plymouth. Turn signal indicators on the fenders are working. Always like that feature too. Take a look at all the pictures to learn more about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.